So I got my coffee and now I'm setting out on the grounds, which are beautiful. So I'm going to show you some of the resort as we pass by some different points. But if you look here behind me, that's the main building that has the restaurants, the lobby, the coffee shop, giant screen where they do shows at night, where they held the Super Bowl last night, more restaurants. So this is the main area where everything happens. So as you can see, we have the swim out suite. So like for instance here, and over here.
But her, all she needs is one coffee. I need four. She has one coffee.
So basically the ground floors have the swim out suites. How's this for a view? So directly ahead is the beach. And we'll be coming up on some of the kids' pools and things that I'm going to show you. But I think this property is really nicely laid out. It's very easy to get to. It's a pretty big property, but of course this is the family side. Next door is the adult side, but it's just a very nicely, simple, laid out property. So here's a basketball, like a multi-purpose court with some families playing right now. And hopefully you saw that. I think my mask was in the way. Let me show you that again. The usual chess set in Mexico. I want to say most of the resorts have that chess set, which I find really cool. But it's like a signature piece down here, I would say. Over here we have a badminton court. And then where I plan to be some of the day today is the lazy river. And this is a pretty cool lazy river. And it goes around for quite a while. Like if you see those buildings over there, yeah, the lazy river is going around that way. Another thing I like about this property is the signs are really easy to read. And you have no worries about where to go. It's all clearly marked out. And then in a couple places they have a huge map of the property. You know, you are here, and then it shows where you need to go. So it's very clear, which I like. Some resorts, it's hard. You feel like you're kind of walking in circles. But this resort is very nicely laid out, very clear to read signs. Coming up on to the beach, which is my happy place. And they have a little surf shop here, which I think is a great idea to have down by the beach. It's fantastic. So, you know, you've got your tubes, you've got your bathing suits, all that stuff right by the beach and right by the pools. Because over here, pretty much a huge pool. And as you can see, there's plenty of seating. They have several pools. It goes way down and really nice. Now, in case you're wondering what these maroon colored chairs are here, that's the Star class. So you'll see it on the beach too. That's an added experience, the Star class. Every resort has their upgrade, and this is no exception. So the Star class gives you cabanas and special chairs and things like that. So that's something to think about if you come here, because it's nice. And then here you have your water sports and just different things here. Coming up on the beach, the thing I like about the beach access here is, if you notice, they have these wooden bridges, and they have another one over there. And basically it's really nice. Makes it very easy to get to the beach because the beach is set kind of far back from this property. So instead of trudging along sand or just a regular pavement, they've done a nice bridge thing. So I'm going to let you see my view right now as I'm coming over this bridge. And as I've said before, how can you possibly be stressed as you're walking onto these sites? I'm just going to take it down here and then show you. So let's just go to the edge here. There you go. A little morning calm for you in your start to your day. Here's a pizza place called Gusto. Lots of seating right near the lazy river. Now I'm coming up to the last part of this tour. I just want you to see something. My building is building 24, which is right here. And basically, it's a really good location because it's directly across from the kids' little park. If you have family, obviously, you would here most of the time. It has the kids' little pool area, but it's near, this is again Gusto Pizza, but also Guy's Burger Joint, Guy Fieri. And then over here, we have the kids' pool. So, right here, you've got so much stuff for the kids. I'm gonna actually just walk through this kid area here. It's a really nice kid area. So you've got this. With the cabanas again. You've got a bar here. Oh, sorry, that wasn't a bar. This is the bar. That's sort of another excursion place or like water sports, things like that. Here's the kids area here. This is so cool, I think. If you have a family, what a cute little area, right? I think that's great. And I've seen a lot of kids here. Hear the music? I like the music here. For the most part, they play, obviously it's Planet Hollywood. However, when you check in, they also ask you what kind of music you listen to. So, of course, I said 80s and disco, because that's me. But they'll play in your room upon your arrival on your TV the music you picked. It's a kind of a nice touch, I think. Overall, I'd say this resort is great for families. Like I said, it's easy to navigate this resort. It's also really nice for the kids. They have a lot of nice touches. The lazy river is really cool. The beach is a nice beachfront. So I would highly recommend this place. Come check it out. We can help you get here too. Lisa Fit Travel. Contact us. Bye-bye.